This latest ROCKPALS 300 is equipped with 280 Wh lithium-ion battery pack. Has enough power to charge iPhone 12 about 28 to 29 charges, iPad mini about 14 charges, 12 inches MacBook about 5 to 6 charges, mini car refrigerator about 5 to 6 hours, Gopro about 40 charges or other small home appliances. This portable battery can meet all your needs in outdoor camping, power outages, and other emergencies. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multi-function outputs for choice. ROCKPALS 300 watts portable power station features one pure sine wave 110 volts AC outlets, one carport. Use DC converter to power your CPAP for better effect, 2 DC port, 2 USB 3.1 amp, 1 QC charge 3.0 USB and 1 USB-C PD output can charge your small digital devices effectively. Number 2. Fast charging. Quick charge USB 3.0 and 30 watts USB-C PD output for 40% faster charge. The ROCKPALS 300 power station for camping can meet the power supply for all your PD devices, from smartphones to laptops. At top speed, revive your MacBook Pro in only 3 to 4 hours. Number 3. Efficient recharging methods. 1. Built-in professional MPPT technology. The portable solar generator provides faster solar recharge rates for ROCKPALS 100 watts solar panel about 4.5 to 6.5 hours. 2. Recharge from an AC wall outlet about 4.5 to 5.5 hours. 3. It also can be fully charged from a USB-C 30 watts PD input by wall outlet. 4. The portable generator can be charged from a carport for about 6 to 7 hours while on the road. Off-road. Number 4. Safe and reliable. Backup battery power supply. Use a battery management system to improve battery utilization. Extend battery life through short protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overload protection, and overheating protection. With pure sine wave function, charge your devices more stable and safety without damage and reduces audible and electrical noise, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.